It's a gloomy morning, 12th December, one day left before my birthday arrives. Lalelak. I went to Ngazelo Salon. Yes, my birthday is on 13 December, and shout out to everyone who is born on 13 December. I wanted to dye all gray and awusebenzanga, so I had to find another color. So allow me to show you my day. How was it yesterday? And this was my outfit. This is my friend Oluitu. We went to the Sun Coast. We went to Sun Coast to celebrate my birthday. Mama. Yo, and the mall was so packed. People were enjoying themselves. Okay. Pose. Lalela, I got stopped so many times and people are recognizing me as skopas and bongongo, you know? And I was like, really? Like, I got stopped so many times at the mall. But I did enjoy it because, guys, you know, like, being stopped and say, oh my God, skopas! Like, it just made my day feel so special yesterday. I don't know, lie. Oh my God, guys, I really did enjoy my birthday yesterday. I don't know, lie. And it's time to go home. And thank you for watching.